Good morning, students. Today we will start occupational structure during British rule or eve of independence. So let's start. Now the features of occupational structure. First is agriculture was the principal source of occupation during that time. 75% population was engaged in agriculture, resulting in backwardness of Indian economy at the time of independence. The manufacturing and services sectors accounted for only 10 and 50 to 20% respectively. Manufacturing sector, 10% people depend on manufacturing sector and 15 to 20% people depend on service sectors. Clear? The growth of all the three sectors was unbalanced. That means growth was very little growth we have seen during that time. Now, occupational structure. During the colonial period, the occupational structure of India, that is distribution of working persons across different industries and industries and sectors, showed little sign of change. Sectoral distribution. The agricultural sector accounted largest share of workforce, which usually remained at a high of 70 to 75%, while the manufacturing and the service sector accounted for only 10% and 15 to 20% respectively. Okay, that means manufacturing sector only 10% and 15 to 20% service sector. So this is a pie chart. Here you can see a large amount of the sector depend on agricultural sector. Okay. And industrial sector or secondary sector only 10% and 15 to 20% is service sector. Regional variation. Another striking aspect was the growing regional variation. Parts of the Madras Presidency, Bombay, and Bengal witnessed a decline in the dependence of workforce on the agricultural sector, with a commensurate increase in the manufacturing and the services sector. So during that time, these three places, first one Madras Presidency, second one Bombay, and third one Bengal. The dependency on agricultural sector was declining, and which sectors was increasing? The manufacturing sector and the service sectors. That means secondary sector and tertiary sector. Dependency on secondary sector and tertiary sector was increasing. For which places, which areas we can see these changes? Madras Presidency, Bombay, and Bengal. Now the question is, which part is called during that time? Which part was called during that time Madras Presidency? Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, and Karnataka together called Madras Presidency. Clear? But You can see the workforce depend on agriculture was increasing during that time, Odisha, Rajasthan and Punjab. So this is the regional variation. So thus India's occupational structure was static and unbalanced. Why it was static? You have to write the sectoral division: agricultural sector, industrial sector and tertiary sector. That means service sector dependency. How the percentage: 75%, 10% and 15%. So okay, you have to write like this. That is the reason for staticness and unbalanced. You have to write the regional variation. So if the question is why India's occupational structure was static and unbalanced, your answer will be you have to write these 2 points and explain it. Clear, students? Worksheet. So complete this worksheet. Highlight the salient feature of India's pre-independence occupational structure. So in the first slide, I have discussed about it. You highlight the points. Nearly dash% of the Indian population was earning a livelihood from agriculture on the eve of independence. So answer will be 70 to 75%, or you can write 75% also. There had been an increase in the share of workforce in agriculture during the same time in states such as during the same time means eve of independence. During the time state was Punjab, Rajasthan and Odisha. Choose the correct answer. During British rule, farmers were forced to grow which commercial crop? Wheat, rice, cotton and indigo. And your answer will be indigo. Bye students. That's all for today. I think you understood the topic. If you have any queries, you can ask me. My number is 8902195104. So have a nice day.